Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Bitcoin and market update. But listen, if you're not already on the Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. It's Ivan and Bitcoin, guys. We're here on the 1 hour chart. If you've been following the updates, following the Twitter, you know what we have going on here. We've came up now, found resistance in the middle of our support and resistance box here. And I actually gave y'all a technical target on Twitter for this move up, where we had all this accumulation here off our yellow line, this quick spike and quick dump back down. But from this lower time frame move, I gave y'all this technical target on Twitter right at $43,000. You're kind of right in the middle of the support and resistance box, guys. And you can see where all these 1 hour candles were coming up here and closing right at that level right here. And we had some wicking above here, and then kind of had that rejection, fell back down to our support level here at our macro A wave low, went back tested that resistance level, and then fell back down. Now finding support here at our blue line, guys. So this right now is the key to holding if we want to see further continuation in the market, guys. And you can kind of see if we zoom out a little bit, we are kind of creating some type of ascending level of support here, where if we have our line right here, we kind of have that ascending level of support right here, guys. Y'all see that we're finding support off this level, which is also kind of the baseline of that lower time frame symmetrical triangle pattern that I gave y'all, where we had that nice pop out of here and we're able to come and meet that technical target right here, guys. So right now the key is to holding the blue line, and if we do so, I could certainly see us coming up and testing this next support and resistance level right at that high 43, kind of approaching that 44K mark right here, guys. So, as long as we hold the blue line, maybe barring a wick down to this trend line right here on this lower time frame, that's what I'm looking at right now, is to come up and test this next support and resistance level, guys. Again, as long as we hold that blue line right there. And if we zoom out a little bit here, guys, if we go to like a 2 hour chart, we can potentially see where just this lower time frame move could potentially have a target here. So if we take our low, we go up to our highs here where we met that, and we go back down to our low, you can see we've actually come up and already met that target. If we want to delete this one and go off our next move here, let's see if we have a better target here, guys. We could potentially be seeing, yeah, right there, coming up to 44,674. So as long as this bottom holds right here, guys, we could potentially be looking at a move where we come up, push this box right here. You can see where this 786 level would be the top of that box, where we would find resistance, but potentially this target right here off just this, a small lower time frame move could potentially take us to 44.6 right there, guys. So that's what I'm looking at on the lower time frame right there, guys. I do want to zoom over to our other basic Bitcoin chart here, bringing out to that daily view, and just remind y'all somewhat of this, this ascending triangle that we have going on this basic take of what Bitcoin price action is doing right now, where we have our upper, supply zone, our lower demand zone right here, our ascending level of support. And now we're kind of caught somewhere in the middle right here, guys. So what we're looking for is, the price action to come up here, start testing the upper level of this trend line right here, right, where we hold that level as support. And that's where we could see continuation right there in the market, guys, right, where we get price action come and break this support level, break this high right here, right, guys, where we need to break. This is our local high right here that we need to see broken, come up, hold that level of support. And that's where we could see continuation in the market, guys, and potentially break out of this, multi-month since the beginning of January, now approaching, 4 months of just this kind of sideways action, where it's just been, this choppy nothing type of price action here, guys. So that's what we're looking at right there. If we do zoom it out a little bit onto it, like a 2-day chart, we can potentially draw a target from this. So let's say we do break out of this triangle, in these coming weeks, we start holding this upper level of support, guys, and we see further continuation in the market, we can potentially draw a target off that. So let's just say that Bitcoin has bottomed out here, guys, and we no longer see a bottom. We could be potentially be looking all the way up to $73,000, guys, even potentially pushing $98,000. And that's a little bit of wishful thinking at this point right now. I mean, that's a ton of work to get up there, guys. But like I say, if this were to have been a bottom for Bitcoin, right, we don't come back and create lower bottoms, then that's where we could be looking at a longer term, price target right there for Bitcoin, guys. Let's check out total crypto market cap real quick, see what we have going on here. I was updating this on Twitter for y'all as well yesterday, where we were creating these hidden bearish divergences and bearish divergences right here. And you can see where we came up, we fell back down into our support and resistance box, you know, finding support off this previous high, right? We kind of work up our stairs, right? Create highs, find support, create highs. We found support off our previous high. We came up, create highs. We found support off our previous highs. Y'all see how that works? Kind of working our way up the stairs right there, guys. And now we're kind of trying to make that other push up right here, where if we can come up and break our new local high right here, that's where we could see continuation and push up to our next resistance level, guys. And that would entail breaking our previous high right here from the beginning of March on March 1st, March 2nd. And that's where we would test 1.95 trillion, guys. And if we were to really get going, we would have our really big test right here at the 2 trillion market cap level, guys. So right now we're doing that best case scenario that I gave y'all on Twitter, right? Where we've had this constant level, right? Ever since November, we've had this constant level of descending resistance. Y'all see that, where we've been just constantly denied at this level, right? We've had a few recent breakout attempts, right? Where we've tried to break out of this level, right? Of this descending resistance, right? We tried to break out here and we got denied. Try to break out here, we got denied. And now we're making a very nice attempt, right? Not just a quick spike up here, a quick spike up, but we're kind of working our way up the stairs like I was just kind of explaining to y'all guys. So like I said, as long as we hold this box for total crypto market cap, we can see that continuation up. Test this high right here at approximately 1.93, and this next resistance level would be at 1.95 trillion, guys. So for total crypto market cap, we need to hold this box. And if we flash back over to Bitcoin, guys, we need to hold the blue line right here, the blue line of our range bound price action, right? I have all these levels marked for y'all, and these levels go back to February, the beginning of February, guys. We need to hold this blue line, and that's where we're going to see continuation higher in the market. If we start losing this blue line right here on Bitcoin, guys, we're going to be coming back down, you know, to this red line, even potentially all the way back down to this yellow line at 38439. So barring, you know, maybe a little bit of a wick down to this lower time frame trend line, we need to hold this level at the blue line, and that's where we're going to see continuation, guys. So that's where we're looking on the market, the lower time frames, the higher time frames, if Bitcoin were just have possibly bottom here, guys. So if you found the video helpful, throw a like, throw a comment. Thanks for watching today, guys.